Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. We are joined today by the Department of Animal Sheltering here in Fairfax County, and we are super excited to partner with them for the Clear the Shelters event this weekend. So I want to turn it over to Rebecca to tell us a little bit about the event and give us some of those details, and then we'll talk a little bit about our partnership.
Thank you, Courtney, for having us on. Yes, we're super excited. The Fairfax County Animal Shelter's annual Clear the Shelter fee waived adoption event for all pets is happening this Friday, August 23rd through Sunday, August 25th. Our shelter has been participating in this event for many years, and it's been such a fun-filled weekend for our community and our staff and our volunteers. We have nearly 160 pets available for adoption right now, and that includes everything from cats and dogs to guinea pigs and rabbits. We even have a python. So it's safe to say that we have absolutely every type of animal that you're looking for. The adoption event will take place at our Michael R. Frey campus in Fairfax and our Lorton campus in Lorton. And you can also see all of the amazing pets that we have available for adoption on our website. Our website's updated in real time, so when a pet is adopted, they are taken off of the website, and when a new pet becomes available, they're put on the website. And yeah, we're really excited. We have a really straightforward adoption process. The first thing that you'll do is visit our shelters in Fairfax or Lorton to meet our adoptable pets in person. If you're interested in adopting, but you aren't sure which pet is right for you, you can talk to our customer care team and they can help you find the right match. If you saw a pet on our website that you're interested in meeting in person, make sure to check their adoption profile to see which shelter location they're at. They could be either at our Fairfax shelter location or they could be at our Lorton campus. Or if you're just walking around one of our shelter locations and you want to meet a pet that you see, just let our customer care team know and they'll handle that for you and you can meet the pet. If you do decide that you want to adopt, you'll fill out an adoption application or a questionnaire, and our customer care team will go over all of the pet's medical and behavioral history with you. And then we also offer same-day adoptions, so you'll go home with your pet the same day and begin your life together, which is awesome. So we're really excited. Visit our shelters this Friday, August 23rd through Sunday, August 25th. Fee waived adoptions for all pets as part of Clear the Shelters, and we cannot wait to help you find the right match for your home. Courtney, over to you.
Awesome. So how are we going to partner together? We're really excited. We work with the Department of Animal Sheltering on a regular basis. One of the things that we have developed with them are some tips and tricks through outreach material to get all of our pets in Fairfax County prepared for emergencies, because we know that you're not going to leave without your pets if there is an emergency. So this weekend, I'm going to show you a picture in a second, but we'll be able to give emergency preparedness starter kits out to all of the animals that are adopted. So we are all ready and prepared to go, and we look forward to being able to give all of those out to the newly adopted pets. So these are what the bags look like. We have a couple of pets. We have Tank, who is ready and prepared. He's a black lab. And then we also partner with the animal shelter at different events out in the community to promote pet preparedness. So we attend a lot of community events. Some of the board of supervisors are really awesome and host pet events throughout the year. So we love to get this information out and get this material out to folks. So we're going to see a little pet preparedness video just to give you guys an example of what pet preparedness might look like. And again, we partnered with the animal shelter to put it together. So enjoy the little show.
Does your family include a cat, dog, furry, or feathered friend? Well, you need to consider their survival as well when disaster strikes. Planning will bring peace of mind and assurance that you've done everything you can to help everyone you love survive and thrive in a disaster. Make an emergency kit for your pet, including vet records, medication, a photo of your pet for identification, food, water, feeding bowls, a leash, treats, and a toy for comfort. Be sure your pet is wearing a collar with up-to-date identification. And remember, microchipping will make reuniting with your pet easier if you become separated. Know where the nearby pet-friendly hotels are and keep a list in your emergency kit. Create a buddy system with your neighbors, ensuring everyone's pet is taken care of in case you're not home. Practice your plan and familiarize your pet with the urgency of a real disaster escape scenario. Stay up to the minute with Fairfax Alerts, a free public emergency notification system that sends emergency information to you via text, email, or phone. Visit fairfaxcounty.gov/alerts to sign up. If you have a question about emergency preparedness, visit the Fairfax County Office of Emergency Management's website. Your pet's always there for you. So be there for your pet and create your emergency plan and kit today.
So let's start off by talking about the basics of preparing for your new pet. So we want to make sure, obviously, that they have a collar with up-to-date information. If you have the ability to get them microchipped, that is the best and helps you get reunited the fastest. So we definitely would recommend that. A new tool that we have in Fairfax County is Community Connect. So this is a place where you can go on and share critical information about anyone who lives in your house, anything about your house, including your pets. You can even enter in there if they have a favorite place where they like to hide. And all of this information is available for first responders when they're on their way to an emergency that's dispatched to the address that you've registered with. So we would love to encourage everyone, especially if you're getting a new pet this weekend, please go on and sign up for Community Connect. And when you have your new pet, you can enter that information in. So protect your pets, always make a plan. We know that you're not going to leave your pets behind. So if you evacuate, make sure you take your pets with you. Create a buddy system. If you're not home and you have a neighbor who works from home, or you may be traveling or gone for an extended period of time throughout the day, make sure that there's someone around you that may be able to either touch base with first responders to let them know that there's a pet in the house, or even someone who would be willing to take in your pet if an emergency happens. So make sure also that you have all of your pet's documentation with you, so including vet records, any medical conditions, as well as any of those medications that they may take on a daily basis. You can also include your pets when you guys practice your family's emergency plan. Include your pets. Make sure that they know the sound of a fire alarm when it goes off. Pets are trainable. You can teach them where to go when they hear that noise coming. So include them in your emergency drills that you have at home with your family. Talking about emergency kits, make sure that you have an emergency kit, or part of your kit includes that stuff that you need for your animal. So a lot of things include the basics, what you would need to take care of them. It's great to have their food, their treats, and something of comfort for them. It really reduces stress during an emergency. You might want to also consider adding a first aid kit for pets, because during emergencies, you don't always know where you're going to go. And if your pet is injured, or you might not be able to get them to a vet right away, having some of those first aid items on hand is always a great option. And then creating that list of pet-friendly hotels. We do have emergency shelters in the county that are pet-friendly, but we know that a lot of folks would prefer to be in, not a shelter and have a place of their own. So make sure that you can look up pet-friendly hotels, or make sure that you have some family or friends in the area that would be willing to take you guys in and give you some shelter. We've developed a couple tools that you can use. So we have a great postcard that is on our website that will also be in the bag that you're going to get this weekend when you adopt your new pet. But it has a little simple checklist of things that you can put in your emergency kit. The other thing that we've developed in collaboration with the animal shelter is a boarding card where you can write down all of the information about your pet. This is great to keep in your emergency kit and share with anyone who may be taking care of your pet. If they have any medical conditions that require medication, we also have that information on the back of the card as well. So that information is really great just to have written down because it can be easily forgotten. And then, of course, I just wanted to shout out that we do have social media. And if you guys are interested in following us, we do post pet preparedness information all the time. We know that pets are part of our family. We here at the Department of Emergency Management, a lot of us have pets. Some of us have adopted from the shelter ourselves. So we really take pet preparedness seriously and want to kind of share the message. So we would love this weekend when you adopt your new pets, if you want to take a picture with your emergency preparedness kit that you are given. We would love to see pictures of all your new pets, and you can tag us on X, Facebook, or Instagram. So I would just want to really thank the Department of Animal Sheltering for coming on and joining us today. We're really excited to be able to partner and give away these emergency preparedness starter kits. And we hope that all of the animals get adopted. So if there's anything else, Rebecca, that you want to share?
No, we're so grateful for your partnership, and we hope that we clear the shelters this weekend. So thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, good luck with your new pets, and we look forward to seeing some of those pictures.